It's a world record attempt now.
Nice.
So, world record attempt for a fish nobody's heard of. Can you eat it, Johan?
It's too small.
It's too small?
Yeah, I think so.
But I'm hungry. It's smaller than yours, yes.
The other thing, the common something, it just strikes it hard.
Now we're waiting for Johan to pop up. Johan Mikkelsen, our guide. And it's our second day here at Söröja. And we're gonna go fishing for flatfish. Rödspätta in Swedish. I don't know the English name for it. But it's a flatfish. Don't grow any bigger than sort of like this. And very tasty. And we're gonna use these guys to catch it with. Look at that. Johan made for us.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful little bucket of fish. No, this is coalfish, say. And also we have räka, shrimp, and we're gonna use them when we fish for the fish that we don't know the name for. And also we're gonna use this lighter gear over here, and haspelrulle. And now comes Johan. Oh, he brought a net. Indeed.
Hello. What's up?
Hello, sailor.
You ready?
Yeah.
We're ready.
Fish for some sea wolf and some commonplace.
What a beautiful little bouquet of fish you made for us.
It's a small cocktail. It's my favorite one.
The little shrimps there, and what's rödspätta in English?
Commonplace.
Common place.
Yes.
Common place. It's like normal place.
Vanligt plats.
Oh my god.
Lately I've been worried, been a bit confused. The faces all around me don't seem to tell the truth. I'm looking for the brave ones, looking for the strong. I just see pretenders, pretending nothing's wrong.
Johan helped us get tackle up and get ready. Beautiful tackle.
It's for flatfish. We rig it with some shrimp. And now I'm gonna show Johan the technique of fishing the commonplace and some common dab. Alright?
Yep.
Okay, so just drop it down to the bottom. There we have the bottom. Okay, so now just lift up the pilk. Very small jumps on the bottom
Bounce it off the bottom.
all the time. Small, and then you just be completely still and wait for the strike. Right. Just right.
Live fish here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Now you're gonna film me taking world record. What's the name of the fish we're fishing?
Commonplace.
Commonplace, but we have all,
ställe.
yeah, Sanskärda is named common dab.
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 Okay.
It's a world record attempt now.
Nice.
So, world record attempt for a fish nobody's heard of. Okay.
Shoot.
Yeah, first hookup for the day. And of course it's Johan.
Right.
Yeah. Took me about just 5 minutes to catch my first common thing.
Okay,
Oh, no, you film me.
oh, it's a big one.
Oh, don't film me. Film me instead. It's so fun. I love this.
Nice.
Oh, it's
That's
very
a common boat, or what do you call it?
Dab.
common thing.
Dab.
And
Common thing. It's very common here.
very nice technique you showed us, that you sort of bounce it along, boom, 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 to attract the fish, and then you move the rod upwards, set it down on the bottom, follow along with the tip to make it just sit there, and that's when the take comes, you once said. And that's when the take came.
Perfect.
And I had, you know, my first fish before Jojje, of course.
Well done.
Now, Jojje, maybe you can have one now.
Yeah. I don't remember who caught the first fish last time.
You did.
Yeah, exactly.
And who
But
caught?
it's fun for you, Johan.
And who had the biggest one on the last trip?
I had the halibut.
Yeah, you had halibut, but the biggest,
don't
the biggest
remember.
fish. Always catch the biggest one. Jojje,
Yeah.
what happened?
I don't know. I caught a simpa in Swedish.
Great.
Yeah, really great.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Johan, what's the name of this fish?
Oh, I don't know in English.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay, let's let it go.
Do you want this to be your first official fish for today, Jojje?
Yeah,
Or do you want me to cut it out?
cut it out.
Okay, I will then.
Yeah.
Show it.
Okay, wait. Out. Perfect. Nice.
Nice.
Yep.
I'm so glad I didn't catch that. Jojje would have made lots of fun. But it is indeed a halibut.
Yes.
Maybe we could sort of reverse the competition and see who can hook the smallest halibut. How old do you think that is?
Probably 2 days.
Just born. Feels a bit better.
And a sneaky take. Johan Mikkelsen says when it's a sneaky take, it might be rödspätta.
Yeah, let's hope so.
Rödspätta is commonplace.
It is not. Or, yeah. What's that?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Cool. Cool.
Beautiful
Should
fish.
we? Yeah. Why are you holding more fish, Johan?
So this one is too small for eating, or can you eat it, Johan?
It's too small.
It's too small.
Yeah, I think so.
But I'm hungry.
I would hit the streets with my eyes upon my feet and the chorus of the 9 to 5. Listen to him say, baby, there's no other way. You're in a system that you just can't fight. All the money you desire, baby, but the price is higher. So close to the deal when you caught me by the heel, beat me up and saved my life. This is a miracle. Gonna live again somehow. This is a miracle. Can you feel my heartbeat now?
Is it
I don't remember the name. It's a common place.
Commonplace.
Thank you, Johan.
nice?
catch. Yeah.
This
They're
is,
really careful when they bite. Just as Johan says, you just feel the weight. You never feel them biting.
Cool.
The other thing, the common something, it just strikes it hard.
Good job.
Yeah, thank you. Can let it go.
Yeah.
Goodbye. Don't tell
Okay,
your
guys.
friends.
Let's go for some halibuts.
Yeah, let's go.
Never gonna break me down. I know things will come around, and I'll get my bright red
You ready?
convertible.
Can't go over
They say I'm
and
running
strike
out
on
of
your
love.
jigs.
Yeah, I'm ready.
I'm
On the
not
camera.
giving up till I get
Come
my
on, Johan.
Hooked up.
bright
You
red
halibut. Cool.
Very angry.
Perfect strike.
They gave me a little bit of warning first before he took it. short stroke.
Yeah.
Keep the head coming up.
Perfect, perfect.
And
One there to go.
Nice.
Very nice.
yeah,
It looks really good. Fighter.
yeah, it's a great fight.
This your first halibut?
Yeah, it's gonna be our first halibut. Oh, here we go. Ease up the brake. Right,
Yes.
secured.
Congratulations. Woo!
Flams Trams. Norway in Norway.
Giving up till I get my
We're so strong.
Good job.
Actually, you know, I've been fishing giant trevallies. I mean, when it comes to power to the pound, you know, it's a very strong fish.
You fucking faggot. Oops, is that a slur? Should I dumb it down a little?
91 centimeters. Smaller than Jojje's.
How long was Jojje's? Was it 90? No, it's 105.
105.
I only catch halibut over a meter.
Beautiful spot and very exciting here because we had fish going on. We had two drifts.
Had a lot of bites.
Yeah, lots of bites. So we knew it was coming, and I was so ready. I was so ready when it took. I was like, because everyone has missed, you know, one or two fishes. So I was like this. I was like, okay, if you just give me one more chance, I'm gonna nail you like a mud. So we did.
I could see sunshine lasting for days, but you could be happy, killed in its rays. The color it gives you, trapped in its gaze of mine, and it's tempting to leave you, but it's beautiful. Sunshine, sunshine. The color of people, and gray in the orange man, and the shadows of shoulders, and all the disconnected people, disconnected. And I know it knows you, ghost in your head, haunted for centuries at the bottom of the ocean. Sunshine, sunshine, and I could see sunshine